Hello friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LCD with LPC2148. For writing this code we are using Keil compiler and for debugging we will use Proteus. For those who are working on Keil compiler for the first time and want to project in Keil compiler, I have put the link in the comment box. I have already written the code and for explaining I will go through the code step by step. Now open folder, first work on 8-bit, open Keil compiler project. After that open, this is what I see. Proteus. This is our IC. Our IC is two ports are there. One is a port 0, another one is a port 1. Port 0 is a 32-bit and port 1 is a 16-bit. Port 0 is 0.0 to 0.31 pins are there. In the case of port 1 is 1.16 to P1.31 pins are there. So each pin have 4 operations are there. So with the help of pin cell register, we have to select it. We have to work on GPIO or transmit mode serial communication or work on PWM. So this is each, we have 3 registers: pin cell 0, pin cell 1, pin cell 2. Pin cell 0 is, both 3 are the 32-bit. Pin cell 0 is for 0.0 to 0.15 pin. Pin cell 1 is used for P0.16 to P0.31 and pin cell 2 is used for P1.16 to P1.31. Okay, you have to use pin cell. Means it's a 32-bit. 2 bits are dedicated for 1 pin. Other 2 pin are dedicated for next pin. So in the case of 10 bit, 2 bit, 0 and 1 bit or any bit, suppose work on the 2 bits, next 2 bit, 2 and 3 bits. Suppose 00 combination 0001 1000. Suppose we have to put 00 to third and second bit, so it operate as GPIO. You put 01 operate at serial communication, work on serial communication. If to put 10, then PWM, put 11, then external interrupt. In the case of 10, means 2 bit are dedicated for 1 pin. Maximum 4 operations are there in each pin. Suppose work on 0 bit and 1 bit. 0 bit and 1 bit. So 004, what operation is there? 00. Other than next operation is TX. If put 01, then TX. After that PWM and third no operation. That's one. Means 00 for port 0. Means pin cell 0, pin cell 1 and pin cell 2 by default work as GPIO. Means 000 means work on GPIO mode. So open my block for pin diagram of LCD. This is a LCD. We are using 16 cross 2 LCD. It is a 16 pin LCD. First pin is ground, second pin is VCC, third pin is variable register for control the contrast. Fourth pin is RS, means register select. We have to work on command mode or data mode. Command means you have to initialize your LCD, on your LCD, display on, cursor blinking, this thing. For data means you have to for display purpose. Means 1 for display, 1 for data and 0 for command. Okay, RS equal to 0 for command, RS equal to 1 for data. RW is read write, write for 0, read for 1. In the case of enable, in the case of write operation, EN equal to AN 1 to 0, high to low pulse. These data lines, 8 data lines are there. These are the backlight. These are the some predefined commands of the LCD. Suppose 01 for clear screen, return home, 4 for decrement cursor, increment cursor, display on, cursor blinking, force cursor to the beginning of first line. 38 means use 2 line and each block is 5 for 7 metrics. Okay, these are the predefined commands. You have to use this. This is our code. So in the case of this one, we have to use RS, RW enable pin we are using it. 8 9, which pin? 8 9 10. 8 is RS, 9 is RW, and 10 is enable. Okay, and 0.0 to 0.7 is used for the data line. Okay, we have to initialize one LCD. These are the some functions, initializations. After that, first initialize LCD after explaining, then LCD, initialize LCD, go to the initialize LCD function. In the case of initialize, first give the direction register, means you have to work each port. LCD is the output device, then give 1 for output, 0 for input in this register. Means your port is work as output port or input port. I work LCD is output device, so we have to put 1 to this register for operation for output. So these are the LCD command. We have to use some functions. I first explain you. This is for LCD data and this is for LCD command. First for command, in the case of command, RS equal to 0, IO with the help of IO 0 clear, we have to give 0, and for IO set we have to give 1 to any pin. Okay, RW is also 0 for write, then 1 for high to low pulse, enable pin high to low, first give 1, after some delay give 0. Okay, in the case of data or display part, RS equal to 1, with the help of IO set register we have to give 1, with the help of IO 0 you have to give 0. First high 1, then right for 0, then high to low pulse. Same as, only one difference is there in the case of this one, RS equal to 1, in the case of this one RS equal to 0. Nothing difference is there. Okay, this is our delay. So these are the commands. We are using some commands. 38 for select 85 cross 7 mode, and this is for the display on cursor blinking. LCD command, go to the LCD command. This one means data 303x, the 3x come in x equal to ending of x0 is IO0 set, means its value IO0 set equal to 0x38. After that, this operate as a, in the case of command case, in the case of command, it work as a command register. Then put 0E, then it work as a command register, means these two work as a command. Okay, for initialize LCD. After that, go to the LCD command 80. 80 is also a command, so go to the this command, come here, 80x equal to 80, means this 80 is also a work as a command. 80 means display on cursor blinking, sorry, it is force cursor to the beginning of first line. After that, you have to write some code A, B, C, D, F, G. After that, the LCD string, go to the LCD string part. This is, we have to use pointer here. A is here. This program is operate up to if the value last value is null pointer. No, value is not null pointer, value is A. Then come to here, display data, then X++. This program operate up to M, means after M it's get the null pointer. Okay, then for the second line, it value will be 0xC0 for the second line. Command is force cursor to the beginning of second line, then you have to command for force cursor to the beginning of second line C0. After that, give this data. This is for display and this is for command. This data force on the first line and this is for first line. 80 for first line. See, force cursor to the beginning of first line is 80, force cursor to the beginning of is C0. So first you have to write code on the first line, after that second line. After that, go to the project, option for target and target 1. File name is LCD 8-bit, create hex file, tick. Okay, then this one, this creating hex file, yeah, creating hex file, LED 8-bit, LD 8-bit. Double click, file name is LD 8-bit, then OK. After that, run. Okay, in first line this thing is there and the second line this one. Okay, this program operate infinite times because we have to work on while operation. In the case of same as 4-bit mode, this is for the 8-bit. In the case of 4-bit, we have to use only 4 pin of data pin of LCD. Like this one, same as code is there, only you have to use 4-bit of, so shift of, this is LCD and this is a Proteus. In Proteus, zoom it first, then I will explain you. See, RS is connected with PV0, RW is connected with PV1 and enable is connected with P0.2. Okay, 0.0, 0.1 and 0.2. These are the command line. Data lines we have to use only 4 lines. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4-bit is connected with P0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 0.6. Okay, 0.3 to 0.6. According to that we write a code. Other function is same. Other function is same. Everything is same. All the functions are same. Pencil is same and display function is same. Everything is same. Only difference is there in data and command. In the case of data, this one, suppose we have to work on data lines is in 0.02, 0.6. 0.02, suppose we work on first data. What first data is, suppose our first data is 0x01, clear display screen. Suppose this is our data, we have to sending some data. Yeah, this one. Suppose we have to use 02 or 01, any command. Suppose we have to use 01. 01 is for the clear display screen. We have to use 01 suppose. Okay, 0x1 means this one, 00000. This value ending with x value is, suppose x value is 0x01. Means display on cursor, sorry, clear display screen. So x value is 0x01 ending with 0xf0. 0xf0, output is this. Okay, means first time it shift only this 4-bit. Okay, after that this is for set, same as for clear. After that we have pin is same. Shift of 1 means we have to work on this operation is work for P0.4 to 0.7, but we have to work on 0.3 to 0.6. Then you have to shift one left shift also. Okay, one left shift is there. In the case of this one, 0x01 same and 0x01 first shift of 4. Shift of 4 output is this one. Ending of this one is this. Ending of this one, the whole condition, this code. This code is 00000. But you have to shift of 1 because we work on 0.3 to 0.6. This operation is for 0.4 to 0.7, but our data lines are connected with 0.3 to 0.6. In that case, we have to perform one left shift operator also. Clear? Means after that we have to perform one right. In the case of this one, means this operation is work first these 4-bit go, after that these 4-bit go. Okay, first this 4-bit, then this 4-bit. These are 00 because no garbage is there. After you have to shift 1 means you have to perform from 0.3 to 0.6. Other than if you have to not do this means you have to pin is work for 0.4 to 0.7, but you have to left shift of 1 for this pin operation. Other than same as, no difference is there. This is for the data and this is for command. Same line is there. Nothing changes there. Same as for this is for RS equal to 1 in the case of data, RW0 high to low. In the case of this, RS0, RW0 and high to low pulse. Same function, string function for checking up if this program operate up to get the null pointer. This is for the first line and this is for the second line. After that we have to write a clear display screen. First write then this one, right, then clear, then this program operate infinite times. Okay, display function, this is a display function, this code. Okay, then see this, double click on the IC, go to the folder 4-bit. Okay, this is the first line, the second and this one. After it clear LCD, then again, because this program operate on in a infinite loop. Okay, thank you very much.